Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Tuesday, June 4th, 2024. Right now it's 10:47 p.m. So, looking back, the Tuesday evening, the futures open and it's kind of choppy and making high and low on both sides. And eventually it kind of tumbling down and went down a lot. So to me, it's like the closing of yesterday is really strong, and I would say dropping at this magnitude is unthinkable overnight. And as we can see that it dropped like more than like 25 points or something like that. It's pretty bad, and I just doing a rough number. I probably did not get the number right here. Let me see. Just so it's a 53. Yeah, like a 35, almost pretty much like a 35 points here. So that's the kind of, to me, I think that's kind of ridiculous. But it was able to roll back here and kind of when it get to open, it says that it kept down like 5 points. Just definitely it's very strong comeback, as you can see here. It's like at 9:30 it come back above this level already, and basically it's above the mid level of yesterday already. So it's been a very volatile day here, and as you can see that it go up and down a lot, and it actually make it really kind of pushing to lower, and it pushed all the way down to 52, 57. But from there it was able to kind of find a footing and come back, and amazingly it almost like hit 5300, and which is based on the closing of yesterday. Yesterday I recorded in my update. It's like I said, well, it seems like tomorrow probably going to be a kind of insider day, insider bar day, and it turned out yes, indeed it is, and it was not able to make a new high or low. That's just in between. It's very volatile, as I said, and but it was able to close very strong, and from this low coming back to the closing spot here, that's basically by my measure is like a 2x. It basically moved like 34 points today, from here to here. From the high and low, that's like a 41 points today. So tomorrow is reasonably it could move another 40 points, and 40 points, that's kind of pretty usual. So what I see is tomorrow the likely going to be a gap up based on how the futures are behaving right now. It looks pretty bullish and at this point, and so as I said, it could easily kind of gap up and move another 40 points. But that said, that could potentially be maybe going to be, well, it certainly it's possible to touch touch the recent high, which the all-time high is a 53.41, which is possible. And for this week, market could go all the way to, possibly could get all the way to 53.58. And right now it's only, if we think about it, tomorrow is Wednesday, so there's still basically there's still another 3 more days to go, and it's just it could potentially this week could be a big move, pretty big move day. And of course, we will need to see that how this is going to kind of unfold. And Friday is non-farm payroll day, and I did not look at the downside. Of course, the downside, and so let's see on the downside, I don't think it's going to be that crazy. Of course, but pretty much it's like if say going to move, and on the upside, it will need to get above this 53.19 level first before it can get to 53.39 ish. And on the downside, it will need to get to this 52.37 first before it can get further down to 52.16 tomorrow. So but personally at this point, with such kind of strong close, I would be siding with the going up, but as we evidenced like last night, and it could tumbling down a lot as well. So almost feel like there are like a two group of folks in the market, like the one they basically buy the dip, the other one basically they kind of really itchy to kind of get out the market and taking every opportunity they can to kind of cash out. That's what I would say. But meanwhile, another group of people basically is waiting downhill and just kind of buying the dip and pushing the market all the way back up again. And will that going to be a repeat tomorrow? Not sure. And I think let's quickly look at the calendar tomorrow. So tomorrow is a Wednesday, and the first one is the 7 o'clock mortgage rate information. And then will be all the way to 9:45. It's SP Global PMI data, and business ISM, also ISM data. Well, that's a bit later, like 10 o'clock, have the ISM service data. That's covering PMI, business activities, employment, new orders, and prices. And 10:30, that's a crude oil's inventory. And then 11:30, you have the bill auctions. And that's it for tomorrow. After the close tomorrow night, there will be total vehicle sales data as well. apparently Thursday also have some very important data coming out. Like I have the challenger job cuts and the trade data, like import export, jobless claim, and then it's really about Friday. That's a non-farm payroll 8:30. So just be ready. It seems like so far, as we see that it's been very volatile week, and likely tomorrow going to be continue to be so, and it could be go anywhere. I mean everywhere. So be careful. With that said, wish you all the luck, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.